Welcome back. If packing for your next trip fills you with dread, you're in the right place. Today, I'll give you the ultimate travel packing checklist, saving you time, space, and stress. Whether you're off to a beach or a city, this guide covers must-haves and clever extras. Stick with me, and you'll breeze through the airport like a pro. Let's dive in. First, the non-negotiables: passport, boarding pass, wallet, phone, and charger. Keep these in your carry-on. Never check luggage. Choose a compact, airline-approved backpack with smart compartments. Store your essentials in easy-to-reach pockets. This bag is your travel command center. Snacks, book, sanity, all within arm's reach. No more frantic searches mid-flight. Invest in a good backpack and treat it like your best friend at 30,000 feet. It's the key to a smooth journey. Clothes cause the most packing drama, but here's the secret: pack light, pack smart. Build a capsule wardrobe. 2 pairs of bottoms, 2 tops, 1 versatile jacket. That's 4 outfits plus a jacket for any weather. Always pack a swimsuit, you never know. For shoes, 1 comfy pair for walking, 1 pair of slides, that's it. Slides are perfect for hotels, beaches, and showers. 2 pairs of shoes maximum. You'll thank yourself later. Toiletries. Keep them minimal and airport friendly. Use a transparent toiletry bag for quick security checks. Essentials: toothbrush, travel toothpaste, mini shampoo, soap, deodorant, sunscreen, razor, nail clippers. Pro tip: go solid. Shampoo bars, solid deodorant, and more. Solids save space, prevent leaks, and skip liquid limits. No more shampoo explosions in your bag. Keep it small, keep it simple. Travel like a pro. Don't forget your tech essentials. Power bank, non-negotiable for long days out. Universal adapter with USB ports. Charge everything, anywhere. Headphones or earbuds for peace and entertainment. Mini USB fan for hot destinations. Portable luggage scale. Avoid overweight bag fees. Stay powered, stay connected, stay stress-free. The secret weapons: reusable water bottle, travel pillow, and packing cubes. Water bottle saves money and keeps you hydrated. Travel pillow means you arrive refreshed. Packing cubes keep your bag organized and clothes compressed. Laundry bag separates dirty from clean. Ziploc bags for snacks, wet swimsuits, or protecting electronics. And always roll your clothes to save space and reduce wrinkles. Small extras, big difference. Bonus tips for a flawless trip. Make a packing checklist on your phone and tick off as you go. Weigh your bag at home to avoid airport surprises. Always pack a spare outfit in your carry-on, just in case. Keep digital copies of important documents in the cloud. Preparation is peace of mind. You're ready for anything. That's your ultimate packing guide. Want to shop my favorite travel gear? Check the link in the description. Have an amazing trip. Travel smart, travel light, and make memories. If you found this helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips. Safe travels, and see you next time.